Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to make a quick video about axial shocks and how to keep them from leaking so badly. As you might know, I have an SCX 10.3 that I got recently and I love the truck, but one of the biggest issues that I faced with it is that the shocks were just super leaky. One or two runs and I needed to put oil in there. So I did some research. It looks like a lot of people replace them, so I tried some desert lizards out on there, and that can be a separate video, but I did like those. I just kind of felt like the stock shocks, though, were the most appropriate for the truck stock. I was really impressed with them, and I liked them a lot, and I wanted to get them fixed. So yeah, here's what I came up with. We've got our axial shock here, mostly disassembled. I even partially have the bottom off. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys sort of what I've been doing to get these things fixed. Also, check out my makeshift shock pliers. Fun tip: if you just take a little heat shrink tubing and shrink it onto your pliers, then you can grip your shafts without any major issues. So I'll go ahead and pop that guy off. And we will pop this off. So right now, basically what I'm doing with these anyway is I have added an additional O-ring, and you can see in here this one is a Traxxas TRX4M O-ring, and there's green slime quite literally all over the shock shaft and O-ring, so I'm trying not to slip here. But yeah, so there is a TRX4M shock O-ring. You can buy a set of these bad boys for $6 whole, and that is the one that I've tested most recently in here, and it seems to be working fine. Another O-ring that I've used, which is thinner and a little bit smaller, is this O-ring, and I got this, I think this came with the Injora shocks for my TRX4M, so TRX4M stuff is coming through. But yeah, so I think what this is doing to help is it's actually putting pressure on the O-ring inside of the shock, kind of smushing it, so that it seals better. And yeah, it's been working pretty well. So just for demonstration's sake, we'll go ahead and pop the Injora O-ring on. Sorry about the focus. I'm learning how to film this stuff better, I promise. Every day, every video is a new and better video. Okay, so we got that there, and I have just a teeny little bit of green slime on my finger that we're gonna put on right here. I would put more, but there is plenty on this shock already. Yeah, so butting the little O-ring up to there, and then we need this. Pop him on here. You want it nice and tight, because a lot of times if this is loose, you will certainly have leaking issues to deal with. So that's with or without the fix. Yeah, there we go. All right, and that is how I've been dealing with the axial shocks. I've had this fix applied for probably 3 weeks now on my truck. I think I've got 12 to 14 hours of runtime on there, and they've been tight as a drum. Seems to be working so far, and I hope that it works for you guys. I wanted to go with the two different kinds of O-rings so that, you know, maybe like the Injora could be sort of like something you have laying around, where the Traxxas one is something that you could just go buy at the hobby shop. But yeah, give it a try. Let me know if it works, or if it doesn't work. I'm sure there's a lot of experimentation that can go on here too. I don't think just these O-rings are going to fix it specifically, but as long as they hold fluid between rebuilds, I think it's a success, and I think we'll be good. And I have 12 hours, no leaks, so I'm happy with it. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a like, and if you find this kind of content helpful or fun to watch, then you should subscribe. And yeah, I think that's it. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.